Hey guys or girls, we are going to be going over the subscript, superscript, quote tag, abbreviation tag, address, block quote, meter, progress, site, definition tag, dialog, box, and code tag. So, continuing off, this line right here is using the subscript tag, which if we look at it real quick, it's creating that downward sized 2. And since we don't want anything else in there in the H2O, we just end the subscript. Same thing here for magnesium. We're using the superscript, which is creating the position of the 2 plus above the text. Instead of typing those quotations, you can use the quote tag. In this example, we added a quote tag and ended it in the paragraph. And as you can see, it added the quotes to us. Man, HTML is so great. Then the definition, the abbreviation title, HTML, because for the abbreviation, you're using the title attribute, which tells us what it actually stands for, and this is what it's shown. But I believe when you go over it, yep, right here, it shows what it is. This is hypertext markup language. And right here, this is all the address tag, which is right here. You are doing the breaker tags to separate each line, but it codes it and has that style of address. This is a block quote. HTML is cool, it is fun, it is easy to code, which is all true. Look at that. It already indents it for us. How nice. Pretty cool. Alright. Next is the progress and meter tags. So this one right here, we set a minimum and maximum number for the meter tag. The starting number is 0 and the ending number is 10, so there's a total of 10, and since the value is 4, it is 4 out of 10. So almost a 5. Not quite, but almost there. And if you don't do a min and maximum attribute with the values in it, if you just put a value of 0.6, for example, the default value, or the maximum, would be 1, and the min would be a default of 0. Progress is just a little bit more fancy looking, has a more divisions lines in it, and it is generally thinner than the meter tag. This right here is the example of the site, because it is italicizing this. It is a title. You're citing the source. Next one is the defining tag. It's italicized too, or slanted, whatever you want to say to that. And this one is an open dialog box. Now, generally the default value is this. It could be, sometimes it could appear over here, or generally a couple lines below or above. But you can code it to be on a block display, so it stays on the line that you put it on. But it's generally open dialog box. Alright, and the next one, and the last part, is the computer code, which just changes the text and the font size to make it look like it's computer code. And that's about it in this video.